Well, it's almost the first Monday of the month coming up. You know what that means, folks? Yep, I'm Mac Stevens, and I buy old records and do everything I can with them that the law allows, and maybe a few things that they don't, but we're not going to talk about that. But, yep, records, going out to the flea market. It's a beautiful day. It's all of about 40, 42 degrees, somewhere like that. It's definitely the day to go to the flea market because it's miserable and raining, and Mother Nature is a mother. She just saves up her worst for the weekend of the flea market. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. I got to make a long mega trip. I'm looking forward to that. But that's tomorrow. Let's survive today.
Well, Peggy, it's not so goddamn cold out here. Nah, it's not so bad. I thought it'd be a lot worse than this. I'm still not overdressed, and that's good. Left the car there. Better go see if I locked it. Locked and loaded. Yeah. Well, let's go have some fun. Of course, I'll see Dave here. Maybe Ricky's got some stuff. Don't know if he's coming or not. He better show up, damn it. Guess I'll start over here, then go up under the tin building. We're looking. There's old Jerry Lee Lewis. One of his good country records from the 60s. Old Bobby Wood. The Bobby Wood, too. There's a Vaden, but it's one of the gospel issues. Pretty common here in Texas. Good record though. A little rough. Seen this one. Stuff. Lots and lots of stuff. They're wet. Oof. Oh, cool. We'll sit right down and cry, maybe. Stereo, no. On the cruise. Dry this one off if I can. I don't want to walk around with a wet record. People talk about you if you walk around with wet records. Ooh, they're all wet. I don't know if Dave's already been through these. Goodness. They're wet. I don't know. I'll look at old Buddy Holly in a moment. Lo siento. Use some ores. What's this? Steve. It's kind of a rocker. Swain, one of the best ballads you'll ever hear. Tragedy. Kind of like this pile of wet records. Okay, now what are these? Oh yeah, they're wet too.
But that's, yeah, 40, it would have been 49, so we've been 40, so 37.50 is like.
While I warm up one hand, I'll look with the other this way. Got to check them extra close when they're wet because the water changes the look of the label. Makes me slow down, thinking I'm finding something I don't know. What you have to do when you're professional is wipe your records on your pants. Yeah, that's decent. Probably I could just peel that label off right now. Auburn, Nebraska. I'll do that another time. Pass on that. I saw a pretty good scratch on Buddy Holly. Now let's see what else we got. Ooh, ooh. Monarch, huh? Hey, too rough. Off the beaten boogie. I think. Yeah. Oh, Dave's been in this pile. He missed a couple though. Yep. He called me about these this morning, and I recognized the records. Fortunately, he hid them for me so I could find them, but they're not anything I needed. Nice guy. Ooh. What a cool label. Unfortunately, it's just boring and dull. But would you look at that Gospel Trumpet series? Oh, I'm buying that. Put it in a better sleeve, though. Neat. Oh, look at that. No. I know this one. It's not good. Hegel My Heart, Bob Kings. And Joe Bennett and the Sparkle Tones, but it's yeah, for $1. Got to look up old Harold there in a moment. I'm gonna put it over here in my pile. Wow. Yep. All falling apart down in the bottom. You do know the likelihood of the record you really want being on the bottom and broken goes up in proportion to the value of the record. Don't know why. It's just one of those laws of nature. Party Time record. Okay, that's one of them dirty records from the, well, I say dirty, I say fun. From the 40s or 50s probably. Yep, and it. Ooh, man, somebody dropped this box from a height. Oh, damn it. That's a shame. So I've got one. Look up Harold. Well, cool. We ended up buying Ended up buying 4. Found some neat things. Alright, we'll keep it rolling. See if old Ricky's over here. I don't know if he's going to be here. I hope he is. He usually has cool stuff. I bought a couple of neat ones from him last time. But I am not seeing his pick-em-up truck over there. So I think I'm going to go back to where I started, where that guy said he'd be open up soon with his 78. Yeah, Ricky ain't there. And turn it around and go back. Yeah. Hell of it is, when it's this weather, you've got a lot of vendors that are around, but they just don't open up. See, this gentleman over here might have some records. Sometimes he does. Real cool. Let's go back and look at some stuff. All right. Time that just right.
You need to move some of that. You can slide that crate out.
Oh, appreciate that. Thank you. Oh man, these things are just horrible shape. I think I probably saw these last time. At least the contents of that crate. That looks real familiar from the last 2 times. I set an alarm to remind me to come back here in case I got occupied. I did, but then I wasn't, and everything's good. Francis Craig at the Oregon. More broke records. I really could do with a Rare Sun record right now. Come on. Yeah, I've seen these before. Pretty sure. See, these were the ones you had last month, aren't they? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good, good. I thought I had seen them. Nothing new added to them. Alrighty. I'll keep checking with you, though, from time to time.
We've got,
So,
okay.
I've got a whole bunch of stuff here. I was looking and not even filming just to keep myself from falling out from the cold. So anyway, Dave's found a whole bunch of, these could have been great, but no, it's country, but probably from the 80s. But there's a bunch of them, and
I thought,
do something with them.
It could have been one of the others, what I was thinking.
Yeah,
So that's
and with the name, Loves Nasty Games. You'd think garage or something. And then a thing of these little record adapters. Kind of like extra small condoms, maybe. Then we've got a whole bunch of reproductions here. Don't get excited. They are the repros of some Sun stuff. In fact, everybody's bought records from Val in the past. A lot of Elvis. Some good quality ones. See, you've got 2 different ones here. You've got one high quality bootleg, and then you've got a lower quality bootleg. They're made at different times, apparently. And then I've got a bunch of cool stuff here. Wait, I'm going to say they're crap now until after I pay, and then I'll say they're good stuff when we get to the car. So, good West Texas rock-a-ballad type thing by the lovely Hope Griffin. Lightning Hopkins, not lightning, but lightning. Another good couple of ballads by Buddy Miller. That's looks wonderful. It is folk, but I like the label. Soulish. Good country with twangy guitar. Soul, dadgummit skull, Hank Williams. Johnny Cash on a weird looking 33 thing, which is odd. More soul. Then a few extended plays.
Well, there we go. That's Canton for the day. There's just not much going on. But I got a pile of records from Dave, and I found a few others. Did all right, I think. I bought a bunch of stuff that'll probably set forever. And eventually I'll sell some. And some of these records I got for a little of nothing. I can only maybe double my money and make a little bit more of nothing. But anyway, some of them are pretty decent, though. So I'm going to head home. I've got to take it easy, because tomorrow I've got a long trip about 300 miles north of here where it's cold. It's just cold today, but up there it's cold. So, catch you gators later. Unless I have to do an addendum to this if I have to stop at something, and I ain't stopping anything. Well, Got to make a potty stop and some coffee probably. Yeah. Be good. Love you long time. Bye.